Good morning, everyone. Vishesh first and good morning. Today is my topic is uh, our life and every morning. How to feel and impress and learn faster and remember longer. Right? Learn faster and remember longer. So first my topic is first in 5 minutes in connect with God. Whatever you believe in God Shiva, Lord Shiva, Lord Krishna, Lord any the gods. The power is faith, right? Thank you for and the one more and day. And today I will use and time with the discipline and make me and claim and confidently and focus, राइट फर्स्ट आप भगवान से प्रार्थना करिए प्लीज़ ये चीज़ को करें जिस जो भी चाहे गॉड लॉर्ड शिवा हैं, लॉर्ड कृष्णा हैं, लॉर्ड महा मतलब हैं देवता या बजरंगबली या जो भी आप मतलब अपने देवता को मानते हैं प्लीज़ सेकेंड इज डिसाइड थ्री थिंग्स ओनली लाइफ एंड द डायरेक्शन एंड द रूल्स डिसाइड करें every morning in the ask what is my main goal on today and who will and the benefit and the because of my work, what types of person I will believe like it today. And example by the I will close for the two insurance cases and I will support for one and team member and I will speak and claim and confidently and learn more skills and I will notice and road areas on the way you're searching and collect this some searching in that area, right? Collecting in the ideas. Yeah, it's a topic. It's a life is not decided in 10 year and it is the decided to one day and repeated and 365 times. Next is look and the impressive look and the impressive slow and walking straight posture, soft but clear and voice, eye contact and value and listening you improve your voice tone every day. People feel and the impress and energy, stability, not by money. अभी इसी टॉपिक पे मैंने पहले भी आपको आइडियाज़ बताया था और फिर वही आप मॉर्निंग टाइम पर डेली कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं, मैंने डेली आपको इस टाइम पर मॉर्निंग पर ये चीज़ मैसेज करता हूँ और डेली आपके मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये रिपीट हो तो इसलिए दे रहा हूँ. आई एम गिविंग इन नॉलेज एंड करें प्लीज. लर्न नेक्स्ट इज लर्न फास्टर एंड रिमेंबर लॉन्ग. use this in the 4 step and the formula. Read 20 minutes, read daily 20 minutes, right? Or write 5 minutes 5 important point. Teach someone and learn on family, and revise at might in the 5 minutes. When you teach, when you learn, when you read, your brain looks the memory. Next is morning energy and rules important. 5 minute deep breathing, 10 minute push up and stretching and drink water and no mobile and first in the 30 minute. Your brain becomes sharper. आजकल के आपने देखा होगा जो भी है चाहे आपके मेरे घर में हो या आपके घर में हो, जैसे ही उठते हैं people check your phone and given in the more time in the mobile. Please avoid the phone. Morning time when you got up early in the morning, please avoid the phone 30 minutes. Your brain become a sharper, right? It's next stage power. It's a final powerful in the morning line. Today I will act. Today I will work. I will act like a leader and not a victim. Leaders is a think. What can I improve? What can I improve? What can I grow? What can I do? How can I help? How can I learn? What can I learn today? What happened today? Just right. Pray always a leader and always pray for the God. Right, bro. And remember, in the please powerful of 20 days, making daily basis 20 days in the morning in the transformation plans. Very good morning. Good morning. You are thinking the like powerful and 20 but control yourself in the first 20 minute inner and power, right? फिर मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ कि सेट बिल्कुल आपको करना है भाई. Sit claim 5 minute deep breathing, stay and loudly, body and activation इम्पॉर्टेंट है. जैसे आपके शरीर को खाने की ज़रूरत होती है, आप ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं, लंच करते हैं, डिनर करते हैं, ऐसे ही आपके बॉडी के लिए एक्टिवेट से मतलब जिससे बॉडी एक्टिवेशन 10 and 15 मिनट मॉर्निंग टाइम, 10 and 15 मिनट इवनिंग टाइम, 10 पुशअप, 15 पुशअप एंड 20 स्क्वाट्स, स्ट्रेचिंग एंड ड्रिंक वाटर, राइट. स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉडी, स्ट्रॉन्ग माइंड, ये तो करिएगा भाई. अगर आप लोग नहीं कर रहे हैं, शायद आप कुछ ना कुछ इस दुनिया में छोड़ रहे हैं या कुछ भूल रहे हैं, कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे हैं. ये इंपॉर्टेंट है एक्सरसाइज बॉडी के लिए. शरीर का मूवमेंट होना इंपॉर्टेंट है. पीपल सोचते हैं कि अगर मेरा राइट focus in planning in the 20 minute, focus in planning in the 10 minute, one income target and today, and one team member is supported target, and one self improvement and the target, and I self improvement, and I give in the speak in topic and goals and the control and the business, liaising and your build and discipline, build and the leader and the personality, confidence ritual, learning power, right? Learning confidence ritual and the learning power, like insurance product, communication skill and financial product, any product, right? In speaking slow, clear, claim, right? It's high performance made. Ask where I am losing in the business, where team member needs push, and how can I close in 20 to extend the businesses, right? Action first rules. Call three clients morning time, motivate a one team leader as an example, is claims and power and the practice your office success, respect from the learn, financial growth, visualize and work, and you create your motivation office atmosphere. Yet 21 days is the result in the you will see. आप देखोगे भाई 21 कंटिन्यूसली करिए. More confidence your team member, you, and better communication, faster and decision in the making, and respect from the team, and more focus on income, stable emotion, golden rules, right? प्लीज़ गाइज करके देखिएगा ये चीज़ें. मैंने बोला 21 day रिजल्ट you will see. Focus, consistency, more confidence, better communication, faster decision making, and respect from your team, and more and the focus on income and the stable and the emotion, right? प्लीज़ लाइक करिएगा, सब्सक्राइब करिए, ताकि मैं डेली बेसिस मेरे को ऐसा मोटिवेशन मिलेगा, मैं आप लोगों को वीडियो बना सकूं और डेली बेसिस मुझे मोटिवेशन मिले, मुझे कुछ सीखने को मिले, आप भी सीख सकें, आप तक भी पहुंचा सकूं. प्लीज़ लाइक करिएगा. ओके, थैंक यू.